Good morning, students. In social, we are discussing block 25, written communication. In that, today we're going to discuss LP3, paper and printing press. The aim of the LP3 to explain how the invention of paper and printing press helped written communication. The keywords which are included are paper, printing press. So, students, do you know these magazines and many types of books, right? Which among these do you like to read, right? Some of them comic books also, right? These all things we are very interested to read. We will gather the information from this, right? Did you know that many years ago none of these were available, right? How we are getting newspaper, magazines, comic books, right? So many years ago there was no paper only, right? No paper, no magazines, no newspapers, nothing. So today we will read and we will come to know that how the paper is invented and how the printing press, these all things we will know today. Okay, so students, what tools did the people use to write in earlier times? They in earlier times they use the feathers of birds, right? These feathers they use to write, or bamboo sticks will be there na, they use as a pen. Here you can see, right? Like a pen, they used to dip into the ink and they used to write on the walls, or before the paper was invented there was no paper na? At that time they used to write on the bark of the trees, right? This is a tree bark means branch. On the branch, whatever the upper layer is there na, that is the barks. So on the bark of the trees and on the stones or on the cloth, you can see they used to write on the cloth, stones, barks of the trees, like that, because paper was not invented at that time, right? So the Chinese, okay, who invented the paper? The Chinese people, they 100 of years ago, they from the fiber of plant they invented the paper. Okay, Chinese invented the paper 100 of years ago from a fiber plant. Okay, so many years later, after the invention of paper, many years of later, uh, a person named Johannes Gutenberg. Okay, he is that person. He invented the printing press. Okay, on the sheet of the paper, whatever the we will write, that will be print into the another paper. That is the printing press work, right? So that printing press in 1440s, okay, 1440s, Johannes Gutenberg, he invented the printing press, right? So here you can see the printing press, okay, and you can see the modern printing press nowadays, how we will get. This is a modern printing press, right? So both the invention of paper and printing press brought a very big changes in the written communication, right? Instead of writing on the stones, on the papers or on the barks of the trees, we are using the papers to write, right? So, and instead of using the quills, dipping into the water, dipping into the ink, right? Instead of this, and instead of writing, what we are doing now, we are printing the matters, right? We are printing newspapers, they will print, or all the newspapers we will write, no, those all will be printed. As a result, books, newspapers and many magazines you can see, and they, with the help of these books and thoughts, everything, within a lesser time it will be circulated, or it will be the, we can share our ideas, thoughts and messages with many people whole among the world. We can share our ideas within a short time, right or not? At the same time, because thousands of books, newspaper as printing by the printing press in a very shorter time, it is an advantage to us, right or not? If you want to complete a one classwork, it will take maybe 10 hours, right? If you are slow writing, 10 hours, 2 hours, depending on your writing. But if you print your that classwork, anything, you will have a Xerox or you will print it up. So we can you can share it among many others, right? At a time you can give to your friends, right? So same information, same ideas, but within a short period of time we can share with many people at the same time, right? So here we can save the time also. And can you tell students what is the disadvantage of this printing press? We need the paper to print, right or not? We need papers to print the matter. So here more paper we use, so what we have to do? The more trees we need to cut. That is the disadvantage, right? Because paper is made up from the trees only, right? You know that one. Paper is made from the trees, and when the trees are cutted down, it leads to the soil erosion, many forests, you can see the situation, right? And many animals they left they don't have their shelters also. They have to leave the forest. Then where they have to live? So their habitat is completely damaging, right? So we need to save the paper, right? So it can cause many problems for the environment also, right? So this is the disadvantage of printing press, that we have to use more papers. So because if we want more papers, we are cutting the many trees. If we are cutting many trees, it leads to that we are disturbing the ecosystem and we are disturbing the habitats of many animals, right? This is a disadvantage. So now all of you open your volume 3 page number 47, write today's date, student. Paper and printing press. You have to read the paragraph here and write 2 or more differences between writing with a quill and using a printing press. You have to write, ma'am. So you can use the time, and you can write the how much amount of we are sharing. These all things you can write, right? Second, next one, write one disadvantage of using the paper. Just now we discussed that you can write. So once again I am telling, who invented the paper? Chinese. Okay, China has invented the paper. And who invented that printing press? Right, Johannes Gutenberg. He invented the printing press. These are the two main point in the LP 3.